Hey everyone, Zach here with Active NorCal, and we made this short drive from Redding, California today to the winter wonderland of Lassen Volcanic National Park. Now, they close the park's highway during the winter months, but that doesn't mean you can't do any outdoor adventures. Let's go on a snowshoe hike to Sulphur Works.
The snowshoe hike to Sulphur Works is a great winter activity for the whole family. Beginning at the southwest entrance of the park at the Yamani Visitor Center, the hike is only 2 miles round trip and will give you gorgeous winter views of Broke-Off Mountain, Lassen Peak, and Mount Diller. On the hike, you'll be greeted with snowy slopes of every size, perfect for sledding and even a ski or snowboard adventure. In fact, this area of the park was once home to the Lassen Ski Area, fully equipped with a 2-person chairlift and A-frame chalet. The hike ends at the boiling mud pots and hissing steam vents of Sulphur Works.
All right, time to put my snowshoes back on and head back to the parking lot. Woo! All right, we're back at the visitor center, which means our snowshoe adventure to Sulphur Works has finished. Thanks to our friends at Visit Redding for sponsoring this video. And thanks for watching, guys. I'm Zach with Active NorCal. Stay active. The end.